Pakistan's ex-army chief and dictator Provez Musharraf has been sentenced to death for high treason and violation of the constitution. He is the first military ruler to ever stand trial in Pakistan, where the military has ruled almost half of its history. So, how did this happen? Let's break it down. Provez Musharraf seized power from Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif in a military coup in 1999. He ruled the country until 2008, when he failed to suppress protests against his rule, in which he suspended the constitution, imposed a state of emergency, and detained senior politicians and judges. In 2013 elections, Nawaz Sharif was re-elected as prime minister. Soon after, in 2014, he initiated a trial against Musharraf. He was charged with high treason. In 2016, his travel ban was lifted on medical grounds and he went to Dubai for his treatment. A year later, an anti-terrorism court pronounced Musharraf a fugitive in the murder trial of former Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. Earlier this month, Musharraf issued a video claiming the accusations are baseless. Musharraf can challenge the order in the Supreme Court, and analysts say extradition could prove to be difficult.
The nature of relationships that Pakistan has with several Gulf countries, including the United Arab Emirates, I think it will be very difficult for the Pakistani courts or the Pakistan government to have General Provez Musharraf extradited from the UAE to face trial or to go into appeal, and we'll see which course his lawyers take in the next couple of days.